Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add songs in WhatsApp status. So basically guys, WhatsApp does not offer a built-in feature to add songs directly to your status. So you can use other apps to include that song for your WhatsApp status. So basically we are using Instagram for this. So go to your Instagram and log into your account. After that, simply go to the story and post any photos or upload any photos. After that, tap on the music icon available in the top. Then select the songs from the list. Here I am choosing a random song. You can resize and adjust it. After that, simply tap on the save option available in the Instagram. There in the three dots in the top right corner, tap on it and you will get to see the save to camera roll option available, and simply save this to the camera roll. After that, go back to the WhatsApp account. Now in WhatsApp, tap on the status and here upload the story you have just saved, and now you can see that your music is on, and if you share it by the blue icon available in the bottom right corner, then you can share the song to WhatsApp. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.